Are you tired of juggling between multiple AI tools just to make websites, presentations, videos, or podcasts? And paying separate subscriptions for each one can get really expensive and confusing. Well, here's the solution: Runnable AI. An all-in-one platform where you can create websites, presentations, AI videos, podcasts, and more, all in one place. This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. Runnable 2.1 just dropped, and it might be the reason you stop using Manus and GenSpark. Instead of juggling 5 AI tools and 5 subscriptions, Runnable lets you create everything: websites, slides, videos, podcasts, inside one dashboard. First, open your browser and simply search for Runnable AI. Once you find it, log into your account. If you're new, you can sign up within a few seconds. After logging in, this is the interface you'll see inside Runnable. At first glance, it looks clean and simple, but this is where the real power begins. Here, you can just write a single prompt and create almost anything you want. You can build AI-powered slides, websites, videos, podcasts, images, documents, reports, and even AI chat apps, all from one place. You don't need to jump between multiple AI tools anymore. Runnable brings everything together in one single platform. And if you're not sure where to start, don't worry. Runnable also has an inspiration section where you can explore example images, mini apps, and projects created by others. This is a great place to get ideas and understand what's possible. Now, let's get started. We'll begin by going to the prompt section. For our first task, we're going to create a website using a carefully crafted prompt. Here's the prompt we'll use. Create a modern movie release and tracking website where users can browse upcoming, ongoing, and released movies. Display movies as interactive cards showing poster, title, release date, platform, either cinema or OTT, language, and genre. Add a 3D hover card effect with tilt, depth, subtitle, and shadow that reacts to cursor movement. Allow users to mark movies as watching, planned, or watched. This is a detailed prompt that we crafted very carefully to get the exact result we want. Once the prompt is ready, simply click on the Run button. Now you can see that the AI has started processing the request. First, it plans the structure, and on the left-hand side, you can see the step-by-step process it's using to build our website. After a few moments, the website is ready, and as you can see, the result looks amazing. The 3D hover effect is working perfectly on the movie cards. The tilt, depth, and shadow respond smoothly to cursor movement. You can also see the upcoming, ongoing, and released sections, all functioning exactly as intended. Now, if you want to publish this website, just go to the Publish section. You don't need to worry about buying a domain right now. Runnable provides its own subdomain, which you can use instantly. If you want, you can also connect a custom domain later. Next, choose the website's privacy settings. We'll keep it public, and then click on Publish. And just like that, the website is live. Let's copy the link, open a new tab, and paste it in. As you can see, the website is working perfectly. This entire website was created using Runnable AI with just one prompt. We've also built another website using the same technique, and you can see how flexible and powerful this approach really is. So, what do you think about this website? Now let's move on to our second example, our second task. Let's say we want to create a presentation slide using this tool. The process is very simple. Once again, we go to the Prompt section, and here we enter our prompt. Make a beautiful slide on F1 2025 taking reference from this link. And here we paste the link of the website from which we want the AI to extract and understand the content. Once everything is ready, we click on the Run button. Now the AI starts analyzing both our prompt and the website link. It carefully reads the content, understands the context, and then begins creating the presentation. This may take a little time, but during this process, you can see the step-by-step workflow on the side, showing exactly how the AI is building the presentation. Once it's done, you can see that our presentation slides are ready. And honestly, the result looks really impressive. The slides are very detailed, the layout looks professional, and everything feels well structured. Now let's open it in full slide view and see the presentation properly. As you can see, the slides look really good. The images used are high quality, the font selection is clean, and the overall design is perfectly aligned with the theme of the presentation. So this is our slide deck created using Runnable AI. What do you think about this one? Now let's suppose you want to edit something, maybe change the text, add more details, or customize the slides further. You just click on the Edit option, and from here you can modify text, adjust layouts, or add more content to your slides very easily. Once your slides are finalized, you can go to the Export option. From here, you can export your presentation as a PPTX, PDF, or even Google Slides, whatever format you prefer. It's that simple. Now let's move on to another powerful feature. Let's suppose you want to create a video. You don't need to go to any other website. You can do everything right here. We go to the prompt section, and here you can see the prompt we're using. This is a very detailed and carefully crafted prompt. A stylish young model drinking an energy drink. The model stands confidently in an urban environment with soft daylight. There are more details included in the prompt, and if you want to study it carefully, you can pause the video and read it. Now here's what we do next. We add a product image. We've already designed this energy drink image, and we want the model in the video to drink this exact product, so we upload the product image here. If you want, you can also upload an image of a specific model or any reference image you like. After that, we select the AI model. Then we choose the video duration. In this case, we've selected 10 seconds. If you want background sound or ambient audio, you can also enable the audio option. Once everything is set, we click on the Generate button. And just like that, the AI generates a video within seconds. Let's take a look at the result. As you can see, the video looks really impressive. The AI used our uploaded product image as the first frame and then intelligently generated the rest of the video. The motion looks natural, the lighting feels realistic, and the overall quality is surprisingly good. This is another video we created using the same exact method. One of the best things about this prompt system is how smart it is. It truly understands what you're trying to create, and it automatically assigns the right AI model based on your prompt and content type. And once again, we're moving to another powerful use case. Here's what we want to do. We already have a podcast script in PDF format, and we want to convert it into a complete, high-quality podcast using Runnable AI. And then we enter a prompt based on the attached PDF, specifically for a narration-style podcast. Once everything is ready, we click on Generate. Now the AI starts processing the file and creating the podcast. This may take a little time, so we simply wait. And once it's done, you can see the audio file generated successfully.
Welcome to the episode, The Evolution of Money, from Barter to Bitcoin. I'm Dr. Sarah Mitchell, economic historian and your host. Today we trace a long human story, how people moved from trading goats and grain to trading bits and codes. Marcus Chen is here to help us unpack that journey.
Thanks, Sarah. Glad to be here. This history is such a great way to understand why.
Below the audio, you can also see the full transcript. As you can hear, the voice quality is clear, natural, and well-paced. Runnable also generates a thumbnail-style visual, which matches the theme of our content. In this case, it's perfectly aligned with our topic, Evolution of Money, from Barter to Bitcoin. If you want to review or edit the script, you can simply scroll down and check the entire transcript right here. So this was a complete walkthrough of Runnable AI. So this was a complete walkthrough of Runnable AI. Runnable brings everything together in a single, powerful workflow. So what do you think about this tool? Let me know in the comments. I'll also put the Runnable AI link in the description if you want to try it out yourself. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos like this one.